opportunities to short the index with levels closer to that 16,075 as a target. But with that, we move on. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 that Reliance Capital lenders will meet today to discuss the next course of action. Ritu joins in with more details. Ritu, the saga continues.
That's right, Mangalam, and the Reliance Capital case has really been shrouded in uncertainty because on one hand, you have the lenders proposing to consider a second round of auction, holding a meeting today, we understand, to decide on the date on the next round of auction. And on the other hand, you have the matter still pending before the Supreme Court, which is yet to decide on the legality of this second round itself. A plea that was filed by Torrent, one of the bidders, opposing the second round, declaring that it was the highest bidder in the first round and therefore it was illegal for lenders to proceed. Now that aside, the lenders, we understand, are going to set the base bid much higher this time around at around 9,500 crores with a minimum cash component of 8,000 crores as per the terms that we've been able to see, and they are likely to invite all of the four suitors to come participate again, and that includes Torrent, Hinduja, as well as a consortium of Piramal and Cosmea, as well as Oaktree. However, it is quite unclear if the lenders will still come forward to submit bids, given that the final outcome will still depend on what the Supreme Court rules in the matter. So like I said, a lot of uncertainty, but that aside, the lenders are hoping to proceed with the second round of auction and keeping their fingers crossed that the Supreme Court ruling will be in their favor.
Okay, all right, Ritu, thank you so much for joining us with those details. Important story, and of course, Ritu, will keep getting you more